Sit back and relax and enjoy the Cathays outreach team 1 year in the making 2022 video of making a change, making an impact and making a difference in and around the local community. So what is outreach? Our aims of outreach was to build relationships with young people, try to reduce antisocial behaviour and allow them to make better life choices. So where are we based? Well, you can see this by looking at the screen now. We are based in a number of locations all across Cardiff in Cathays, and we also run up as far as Maindee and Cyfarthfa. So, as you can see, we visit quite a few locations and we take quite a lot of selfies, but do we actually do any work with children and young people? Let's find out. In and around the local community, in local parks, local areas, we've had over 1,000 engagements, which is from conversation building to listening to young people's views about the community they live in. So we've done this by running pop-up youth clubs. We've also done it by running art activities, engaging younger people in sports, running team building games and developing communication skills and developing young people's skills for life. We regularly undertake joint patrols with South Wales Police and Cathays and try and minimise and reduce the barriers between the police and local young people within the community. So why continue to fund this? Well, you can see from now that all these reviews from the parents, carers, family members, and this is just a few to read. We've also had, immaculate feedback from local police, local councillors, and many more people within the community. So without the funding from the Crime Commissioners for Wales, the local art councils, the Welsh Government's Winter Wellbeing Programme, then we wouldn't be where we are today. From myself and the outreach team, from Sam, Bridie and Martha, thank you very much.